country abang ikimalong do pagate China penisi buffer dopo usi Sikkim aphan abangke endelo apen declared state kasi hana mu kaprek nason bar rap thurpa ka kopine movement ani Goa ke state manta Sikkim ka state manta anpar abangke non northeast alam ta halo ahut Government of India abangke Northeast reorganization aphan abangke compel lo lai details history niliki dam delo mo niliki ke ninja to ninja pore pa ninja na kai ding sure rat mo central government decide lo je inglong akhe atun phan abangke dowong atun phan abangke Assam pen abangke pacharap nang nelo India security aphan lake mo phire China do adung het Burma do lasening pang sadang ji inglong asara tumhan lapen Meghalaya peaceful movement ta logot isi important factor do Meghalaya kelong lasobangke latum negotiation ahut chunche theklong si Meghalaya youth hatum particularly Khasi Jayanta hatum latum East Pakistan damjui hile ki objechan bang surihini kusi pula raso Silong latum gao ki pen border cross pena banke khas of East Pakistan lo damjui la hile ospo Labanke from horse's mouth, this was even expressed to me by none other than Hopingstone Lingo. He was later on became Home Minister of Meghalaya. He told me that he led this group to East Pakistan for armed struggle. And immediately this message was given to Indira Gandhi, none other than the governor of Assam. That Khasi youths 2000 years have gone to East Pakistan, and East Pakistan is not a friendly country. So something has to be done, and therefore this negotiation bottleneck was overcome, and Meghalaya came into existence. And that time, not only Meghalaya, the Northeast was reorganized as a whole. Khasi, Jaintia, Garo, Mizoram were also given union territory, then later on full-fledged state. Manipur was union territory, it was upgraded to separate state. Tripura was union territory, it was upgraded to separate state. Arunachal was a union territory, it was upgraded to separate state. So similarly, it is not on, they have done, central government has done not only for Meghalaya, entire Northeast in 1969, the autonomous state was created. Later on, within 2 years, entire Northeast tribal areas were given self-rule, that is separate state as a whole. At that time, we were also given option. Whether Kargil and Dimasa, they want to be a separate entity or they want to be with Assam. I do not want to, history will judge it, but that time Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and NC's Autonomous District Council passed a resolution that we will not go for hill state, we will remain with Assam. So that time the option was given, entire Northeast was reorganized. Why I am saying this? Because now, when we move for autonomous state, we should also align our movement with others.